In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Facebook Reels after posting. Alright, so I'm here on my screen and I'm going to start by opening up Meta Business Suite. Just giving it a second to load up, and once it's ready, I'm on the main dashboard where all the content tools are available. Now from here, I'm going to head into the content section. So I'll click on content, and that takes me into a space where I can manage everything I've already posted or scheduled. Once that's done, I'm going to click on posts and reels. So I'll just select that, and it shows me all my posts and reels in one combined view. At this point, I'm going to switch over to published. So I'll click on that tab, and now I can see only the content that has already gone live, including my reels. Now I'm going to scroll through and select the reel I want to edit. So I'll just click on one of the published reels, and it opens up the details for that specific video. Once that's done, I'm going to look for the three dot icon. So I'll click on it, and it opens a small menu with different options for managing the reel. Now from this menu, I'm going to click on edit reel. So I'll just select that option, and it takes me into the editing interface where I can make changes to the reel even after it's been posted. At this point, I can adjust the reel as needed, whether it's updating details or making small edits before saving the changes again. Once that's done, the updated version of the reel will replace the previous one, and the changes will reflect on the published post. And yeah, that's basically the whole process. I'm just walking through it step by step as I do it. Open Meta Business Suite, click Content, go to Posts and Reels, select Published, choose a reel, tap the three dot icon, and then click Edit Reel. Once that's done, you've successfully accessed the edit option for a Facebook reel after it's already been posted.